The bag's falling. Hey,
Hey, what the hell?
Panda. This is Panda and Coco. Here, I'll just put them in my bag.
Flip it.
I can't flip it. I have to flip it here.
Give me Coco Chanel.
Give me Panda.
Coco Chanel, come here. Why don't you put the back camera?
Ay,
What are you
Coco!
doing? It's right there, look.
Guys, for free! For free! No? That TV.
Oh, that TV?
That's a cool TV for my room.
You should get it for your room.
Yeah.
I wonder if it works. Let's take it.
Yeah? You want to? Bye.
The red button, right?
Yeah.
All right. This is Tanya Cam. Cristian and Blanca taking home the TV. Did you guys get the remote control?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they got the remote control. Go, go, go. Don't drop it.
You want to see the words first?
Come on, David.
Guys, short go
Wait, go, go. David, where are you? Come on. That's a big TV. No. Don't bite it. I know. I didn't want to carry it.
Okay, just put it here and we'll see if it works later.
Okay.
Okay, continue the venture.
Wow.
Right there. Look at how tiny. Right here.
You don't see it even?
I didn't see it.
Oh.
Oh, it's still there. Right there.
No, Coco. Coco.
My fancy TV.
For free. Guys, pee here. They're supposed to pee here.
Right here, Panda. Pee right here.
Pee right here. No? Okay. No quiere.
Look, David, you want water?
That's all you want. Hey. Hey, don't.
Blanca. Blanca. You see it? For free. He's in the plants. Finally gonna poo. Like I don't look. Don't look. Ya está pooping. I have it in my pocket.
Is there anything else that's...
Coco, no.
Ew, it's not...
Apestoso. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Coco. Hala.
Come on.
Let's go. Blanca. For free.
What?
The trash cans.
Oh.
In that trash bin.
Here, hold close. Or...
Oh. Y ya regresamos a mi casita muy bonita. my home. Yes? Get water. Come on. Get water. Oh, no. No. Get water. Panda. Panda.
The couch is gone. Run. Oh, The couch is gone.